When you need to fight fine lines, wrinkles, and the discoloration of your skin that comes with aging, you need the ASAP Super C Complex. This is the supercharged choice from the Australian-owned and made skincare line that is ASAP. And what makes this so brilliant is the high concentration of stable vitamin C, along with the powerful antioxidants of pycnogenol, coenzyme Q10 and olive extract that protect the skin against even more aging. Now, you can use it every morning and it will help to stimulate collagen production. And what that means is your skin will have more bounce, it'll look brighter and smoother. And it can even help to reduce the appearance of pigmentation on the skin. When you apply it onto the skin, it has a really lightweight feel and it absorbs very, very easily as well. You may have noticed the color, I'll show you again. It does have a slight color to it, but that is the vitamin C. So to boost your anti-aging skincare routine, you will find the ASAP Super C Complex on our website skinmart.com.au. And if you have any questions or you would like some more personalised advice around your skincare or your skin concerns, please feel free to book a consultation with one of our skin experts. Now you can do that by clicking on the advice option on the top of our homepage, which is skinmart.com.au.